Looking for adventure? Want to discover the true wilds of Florida? Join us for a thrilling day at Wild Florida. From airboat rides to exotic animal encounters, we've got it all covered.
The tour has begun.
Hey everyone, it's Jessica Snyder with the Locals Group with LPT Realty. As you know, we love showcasing the best places around here, and today we're excited to share our adventure at Wild Florida. It's located in Kenansville, right along Cypress Lake. We've been a few times before, but with our niece visiting, we decided to explore this amazing spot, perfect for a fun family day together. Get away from the theme parks and let's check this out. So we kicked off our day with one of Wild Florida's famous airboat tours. These tours take you deep into the headwaters of the Florida Everglades, offering a unique perspective on Florida's native wildlife and natural beauty. Our captain was amazing. He spotted alligators, herons, and other wildlife as we glided through the water. The thrill of skimming across the shoreline and disappearing into the endless marshes
is definitely unforgettable.
Plus, you're constantly keeping your eyes peeled as you want to be the first one to spot a gator. Fair warning, when it's warm, like it was when we went, and the boat slows, the humidity does really hit you. All right, so next we explored the Gator Park. It's home to over 200 native exotic animals. And don't let the name fool you, it's not just about gators here. We saw lemurs, bobcats, two-toed sloths, snakes, so many different types of birds, and of course, plenty of alligators in their natural habitat. Wild Florida is even home to Snowflake and Blizzard, two amazing albino alligators.
They're so cute.
Look at them. It's Snowflake and Blizzard. That's their names. Snowflake and Blizzard. Our niece had a blast feeding and petting the baby animals in the petting zoo, and we all enjoyed learning about the animals from the Knowledge Care team.
So there's turkey hanging out.
By the way, you even get a chance to feed the gators gator food off of a safe dock station. It's fun to watch them compete.
Two gators back there.
Man, that's a big gator.
And let's face it, when you have kids, they can only handle looking at animals so much. So the covered playground was a hit for burning off some of that extra energy, even though we loved wandering through the hawk swamp where owls roost in the cool cypress tree canopy boardwalk. It's a fantastic place to connect with nature and learn about the fascinating creatures that call Wild Florida home. So let's face it, we are in Florida, and no Florida adventure is complete without a bit of unpredictable weather. It's July, and by early afternoon, we experienced a classic Florida downpour. But that didn't dampen our spirits. We took a break under cover, grabbed some snacks. They have an amazing little ice cream stand, and we browsed the gift shop for souvenirs. The rain added an extra element of excitement to our day, as it always does, making it even more memorable. Although we didn't go on the drive-through safari this time, it's definitely on our list for the next visit. Imagine driving down 4 miles of a dirt path and encountering over 150 native and exotic animals. From giraffes and zebras to American bison and antelope. It's a safari adventure right here in Central Florida. This unique experience lets you see the animals up close and from the comfort of your own car, making it perfect for us families. Wild Florida offers a blend of thrilling adventures, up-close wildlife encounters, and educational experiences. Whether you're a local or visiting, it's a must-see destination. If you are looking to explore the wild side of Florida, this is the place to be. Thanks for joining us on this wild adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos showcasing the best of Central Florida. And if you're thinking about making this amazing area your home, reach out to us. We're here to help you navigate the real estate market and find your dream home. See you next time.